Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is Science and Technology. To begin, science is the intellectual and practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. Second, technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. Lastly, in science, equations are important. An equation is a statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. The process of finding out the variable value that makes the equation true is called solving the equation. An equation is a statement that two quantities are equivalent. For example, this linear equation x1 4 means that when we add 1 to the unknown value, x, the answer is equal to 4. Also, the scientific method is a method of procedure that has characterized natural science since the 17th century, consisting in systematic observation, measurement, and experiment, and the formulation, testing, and modification of hypotheses. Examples of science and technology. A calculator is helpful in solving complex math equations. It makes it faster and easier than having to solve by hand. The scientific method is used often throughout our daily lives, forming and answering questions by observations. Equations are also important in ICP when formulating chemical equations between elements and figuring out how to balance them. The following video will show common examples of such ideas. Science technology. Please enjoy. The video will pause at each example in the video and then resume. Computer and TV. Computer allows the access of knowledge and the availability of answers when needed. The TV helps circulate news and information briskly. Car. The car allows for quick transportation running on an engine using fossil fuel.
Hey, what are you doing here? What brings you to my house?
Gotta do the ICP project. So, you started the ICP project yet?
No, not yet. I'm not actually gonna do it. It's gonna take forever. I mean, look at this. This is all the homework she gave us for the weekend. I already have a 0 in the class anyways. See, look, I have a 0 in the class. There's like no point in doing the project at all.
Do you have anything I can eat? I'm really hungry.
It's over there.
Where?
Microwave and refrigerator. The microwave is an alternative method to heating food. Takes electricity and heats food faster than traditional methods. The refrigerator allows for easy storage of foods. It slows down reaction rates within the food to slow down spoiling.
So what do you mean you haven't started the ICP project yet?
Well, I mean, considering the fact that I have a 0 in the class, I don't see any point of doing the project. I have all that homework. It's not really worth it.
Clock. Allows for visuals of time.
Hey. I have an idea that just might get us made on this project. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No, not really.
Alright, follow me. Hey.
Cellular device. The phone allows to easily communicate using satellite and cell towers to send signals.
Can you, meet me up somewhere and bring the thing? You know, the thing we were talking about? Yep. Thanks, meet you there.
What are we doing? It's pretty cold outside.
Ben sees it is snowing and that there is a slight gust from the falling snow, so he concludes with his evidence that it is cold outside.
Hey, right here. Shotgun shell. We're close.
Connor sees a shotgun shell while looking for the drop-off item. He takes an educated guess that people have fought for what he is looking for, therefore he must be close.
This is what we came out here for. This is stupid.
Ben sees the item and claims it wasn't worth the trip, therefore concluding it is stupid.
Get this back to the house.
Case. A case allows for the protection of important material. Ben realizes after more questioning that the case is important and valuable, so he concludes he should take it.
Hey, what are you doing?
I want this. It's mine.
Firearm. Allows for protection and is useful in tactical advancements. Shovel. Is handy in agriculture and excavation of the earth. Connor sees he has wrecked Ben and should flee the scene because sirens are heard in the background. A nearby neighbor sees and observes the whole incident and calls the cops.
Finally. It's done. So much for partner work.
Knowledge is the key to life. We have rose and expanded as the human species, accomplishing feats of which are impossible. Yet here we are making a video to something substantially less, far superior to what we have done in the past. You may be creating your own conclusions or forming your own questions as I speak. You are using the scientific method and don't even realize it. Everything around you is technology. This entire video has been formulated using science and technology. The video recorded with a phone. The music searched online, the recordings edited by a software. Even my voice is a figment of technology. Science and technology are all around you and you may not even know it. I concur that everything is science and technology.